Is it time to buy or sell GLXY Digital stock? In this video, we will explore GLXY Digital in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 20th of August, 2025, and now we are here to offer you an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive complimentary price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be viewed as financial advice. Since the 19th of August, 2025, our system has ranked GLXY Digital as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.18. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this period. Surprisingly, the stock has exceeded our system's predictions, achieving a gain of 1.72%. This results in an average return of 0.86% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned in the lower portion of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, which could present a favorable buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $24.26 is breached, it will initially suggest a deceleration in the rate of increase and may also serve as an early warning of a potential trend reversal. The existing 3-month trend indicates a possible change of approximately 42.24% over the next 3 months, with potential returns ranging from 40.80% to 103.59%. Our latest daily update for GLXY Digital includes the headline, Stronger Technical Forecast for GLXY Digital Stock Price after Wednesday trading. The GLXY Digital stock price gained 1.72% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 20th of August, 2025, rising from $24.10 to $24.51. During that day, the stock fluctuated 6.61%, reaching a low of $22.99 and a high of $24.51. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days, but it remains down by 10.35% during this period. Volume fell by 4 million shares on the last day, with a total of 7 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $182,520,000. It is important to consider that falling volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $33.16, while the lowest was $17.40. Currently, the price is 26.07%, or $8.65, below the 52-week high of $33.16, which also stands as the all-time high for the stock. GLXY Digital has been busy. On the 15th of August, the company closed a project financing deal worth $1.4 billion to fast-track its Helios data center retrofit and expansion in West Texas. This funding supports the first phase of power delivery for artificial intelligence and high-performance computing under a long-term agreement with CoreWeave. Earlier in August, GLXY reported second quarter results that fell short of expectations, revealing a decline in cryptocurrency trading, which put pressure on the stock. Management changes include the appointment of Matt Friedrich as Chief Legal Officer and the addition of Doug Deason to the board, enhancing governance and regulatory capacity. In terms of product and deal activity, GK8 has expanded institutional access to Solana decentralized finance, while GLXY executed a significant client Bitcoin sale, one of the largest notional trades ever, and participated in a private placement worth $200 million tied to an Ethereum strategy. In the short term, the earnings miss and trading challenges may keep volatility and selling pressure elevated, only gradually alleviated by positive headlines. The substantial financing and connection with CoreWeave present a clear catalyst, but also increase leverage and execution risk, which the markets will consider in the near term. Over the long run, the Helios project, along with custody and DeFi expansions, aims to diversify revenue towards recurring, infrastructure-driven cash flows, Stronger legal and board talent is expected to reduce regulatory execution risk. Key long-term potential relies on the timely delivery of the data center, the uptake of CoreWeave, and an overall recovery in the cryptocurrency market. However, execution setbacks or macroeconomic volatility remain significant downside risks. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 5th of August, 2025, it was reported that BTIG assigned a buy rating to GLXY, accompanied by a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to Galaxy Digital stock. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as a sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts also provide the stock with a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Galaxy Digital. Volume decreased during the last trading day despite an increase in prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price and may serve as an early warning. It is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Several negative signals have also been generated, potentially impacting its near-term development. The Galaxy Digital stock currently shows sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more pessimistic outlook. On upward corrections, resistance can be expected at levels of $26.61 and $25.99. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, July 24, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 23.14%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 20 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 35 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 3 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 36 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 5 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal from 31 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 26 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for Galaxy Digital. Galaxy Digital finds support from accumulated volume at $24.36. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is expected when this support is tested. The stock exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with a solid trading volume, the risk is deemed medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $1.52, which translates to a movement of 6.61%. In the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 9.36%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Galaxy Digital, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric evaluates a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, persistent negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profitability and could raise concerns about bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 4th of November, 2025. Analysts are projecting consensus estimates at 29 cents. It is essential to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Galaxy Digital. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Galaxy Digital is at $26.76. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, Galaxy Digital encounters its first support level at $24.36. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Galaxy Digital, according to various analyst sources, is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were conducted by Tavazo Richard, who bought and sold 630,419 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 83 most recent insider trades, we found that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of approximately 80.846. Overall, insiders purchased 438,157,508 shares and sold 41,486,859 shares in the last 83 trades. We have a negative evaluation for this stock, and there's currently no stop loss in place. Is Galaxy Digital stock a good buy? The Galaxy Digital stock shows several negative signals. Despite a positive trend, we anticipate that Galaxy Digital will perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Therefore, our evaluation of this stock is negative. We have revised our analysis from a strong sell to a sell candidate since the last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 21st of August, we expect Galaxy Digital to open lower by 507 of a dollar and start trading at $24. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and you should consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Do not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By utilizing the information provided, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at StockInvest.